Good morning everyone. My name is Adithya, studying grade 7. Today let us learn what is Pandas. Pandas. It is an open source library built on the Python programming language. So Pandas, it is a manipulation tool to manipulate tabular data. It provides more opportunities than Excel. How? Excel is limited to 10,500 rows of data, but with Pandas, you get more advanced features and you can work with much more data. So, Pandas, it is based on two things, data frames and series. A data frame is like a table in Pandas and a series is a column. As you know, data frames are tables are two-dimensional labeled data structures with columns of different data types. In Python, integer and float are like numbers and decimal numbers, and there is also the data type string for text. In Pandas, it is called as object data type. You can think a data frame as a spreadsheet or an SQL table. So now let us learn how to create a data frame. I am going to use Jupyter for this session as it is much more interactive than the normal PY files. First, we are installing Pandas in our systems. I have already installed Pandas, but if you haven't installed Pandas yet, this command will install Pandas on your system. Next, we are importing Pandas with the alias PD. PD is the most common alias for Pandas. Now, next, we are creating the data frame with the data and the columns name and score. Here the first record will be Alex, 86. Alex is the name and 86 is the score. The next record is Bob, 92. Bob is the name and the score is 92. The last record is Claire and her score is 78. So we are saving the data or the data frame into an data frame named DF. There you go. Here is your data frame. An important feature in Pandas is that you can also change the names of the columns and the index or the numbers 0, 1, 2, etc. Another way of creating your data frame is creating the data from a NumPy array. So, NumPy is another library that provides you advanced features to work with numbers. Here I am importing the NumPy library, creating a NumPy array as the data and giving the columns A, B and C. Here you can see that it is a 3 by 3 matrix. There you go. There is your data frame. Another method is taking the data from a dictionary. So I am creating a dictionary called as D. It has the data two columns, column 1 and column 2, and the values 1, 2 and 3, 4. I'm putting the dictionary D as the data and creating a data frame called as DF. There you go. Your data frame has been created. I hope you learned how to create a data frame in Python. Thank you.